Whoa, alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you. We are always smiling. Today's my birthday, so I'm a side girl.
Don't know it, yeah.
Wait, I'm trying to figure out that something because it's a follow me, but don't want to follow me.
What's following you? The camera?
The damn thing, you see
That's
following
cool.
my hand. Alright, so see side girl because we know so I don't want to. Yeah, so we're at one of my favorite spots, especially for breakfast, which is Tea Tree Creperie. So vibe.
Okay.
Oh, I was about to say, are they closed or what? Alright, what? They get the same thing every time?
Every single time. I get the Oreo crepe thing.
I get the same thing, which is the French toast, like all the time.
Their French toast is amazing though.
I love it.
Yeah.
Always the French toast. That's why I didn't even open the book too tough. You're like French toast,
I
egg,
always
bacon.
look, you know, girls, like we always look even though we know what we want.
Yeah.
See, here it is, cookie and cream. That's what I want.
Alright.
Yeah. Or I'll try the s'mores one.
Yeah, I'm classic. Classic French toast, some eggs and bacon or sausage. I'm good.
I would like a...
Guys, first Davene was like, I would like a... You know what, give me that cookie and cream crumb.
Yes. Do you guys have like... Oh yeah, you do, okay. Can I have a frozen coffee thing? No, that's gonna be sweet, right? No, never mind. I'll just take a...
10 months later.
Alright, so breakfast has been served. I got bacon, of course, egg over easy, but it's on a medium, toast and French toast that's here. Of course, I get some nice water. And this is
cookie and cream crepe.
cookie and cream crepe thing.
Yeah.
That's a vibe. Alright, so we got some milkshakes here. So the caramel one.
Caramel milkshake.
Caramel milkshakes, happy to go.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burn.
Alright guys, so right now we are at, what you call that place, Puerto Rico. I'm actually trying to test out like all the modes I can on this particular camera. But yeah, that's a vibe. This is where we are. I think it's some activity, some water, bounce, and all type of thing. But yeah, it's a vibe, chill day. Alright, so we just do that little water activity. It was kind of fun to be quite honest, so just there's our vibe. Do that on the back. And yeah, we're by the pool for the community. Alright guys, so we're just leaving Puerto Rico. That was a vibe. That little bounce about thing, I was just gonna take you guys on it and show you what it's like, but I never knew we were really going into water, so I never brought my GoPro, but yeah, it was a vibe. I've always seen them advertising it. I always thought about booking it, but yeah, so it was pretty cool. Now we're going to another stop. I don't know where that is, but let's see. Alright guys, so I always hear about this guy called the Pudding Man. Yeah, so the pudding is like some good type of pudding, so we stop here, so and this looks like it's a complete vibe. I want to see how good this is. I don't know if you guys can hear me good because it's a whole new device I'm trying to work out here, but yeah. Yo guys, right here, so hot. So this is definitely an outdoor cooking style to the max, so them throw hot coals on the top, so the top can cook. Is it? It's a complete vibe. Wow. Yeah, me mash up a cornmeal pudding. Them gonna fit out, yeah.
Yes, ready? What type?
Alright, so can't tell you this, the pudding them hot. Can't feel the heat off, right? So forgive me, my vlog feel like a bit different than usual because I'm not used to vlogging this way, but fritters so far tastes good. But you know, fritters you have to kind of get like the mig light, those like crust right and all crust tastes good. But the pudding really want to taste because guess what? I think I'll make a mean cornmeal pudding, so if me taste something better than that or what my grandmother used to make, then I'm gonna say it's a vibe. Alright, so the pudding here. Different from the one that I normally make because I normally make a nice like a custard top. But it smells good. Taste a piece of it and tell you what I think about it. Alright, so the pudding is good, but sorry, you know, beat my grandma pudding. Sorry, it really doesn't. Nah, still not even beat my pudding. That's a fact. But it's good though. If you're looking for a good pudding, I'm sure you come there and like it. And just the whole, what I like about food is not just the food that you eat, but just the experience of how you eat it. So like seeing them doing it on the roadside with the coals on top, that's just fantastic. I'll be doing a video soon of me doing a pudding, similar style, and you guys can hear. This fritters is really good, right?
I don't know. I've never tasted it.
Oh.
It's too hot.
Oh. What's a vibe? I can tell that a lot of persons like going there because there are a few people in there. Is the man, I think the fact that everything is fresh, it knows that yeah, it's a good product. So I reach back a place, so we go already. And I know which part is Lobster Dave. Yeah. It's a vibe. I like Lobster Dave because the lobster there is pretty good. And yeah, it's a vibe. That's my new catchphrase, you know, it just built. It's a vibe, no. But I'm not to say it to see it. Don't play with Lobster Dave, you know, them deliver to you and watch it. Sure. Clean. Alright, so with the Lobster Dave now, they just go downstairs a while ago to make a little talk to somebody because, you know, by the time you're watching this vlog, it's probably next year. Today is December 27th, that's my birthday. But, you know, I'm just trying to make some links to do some whole heap of different experiences to give you guys next year because, which is 2020. It's gonna be a whole vibe. And yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm really excited for next year. Officially, I'm gonna be trying to chase this whole YouTube thing full time and do my job like part time, you know, do a few hours, but mostly focusing on YouTube. I think I can do it. That's the gift to myself, you know, to go after something that I love because it's a passion on my feet. And even today we met like about 4 subscribers and things, and it's always great to see you guys, you see me, and the feedback what you guys have. So yeah, we're ready for the vlog.
Head held high, even though it's not a lie that we need deep in the dust. Killing time while pretending that we're fine, thinking someday we will burst. You and I are falling behind and I'm ready to go get out while we're whole. Now take my...
Alright, you guys can see we get the food, so I got a side of sweet potatoes. Judah got some bambi, so we just go split that. It's a good combo. She got some fried conch, which I think is really good. I like the fried conch here last time. And I got the king crab. It's gonna be a good look. Looks good. Smells good. So let's see. God's good and God's great. Thank Him for our food. By His hands we all are fed. Give us Lord our daily bread. Amen. What? If you guys know that one, drop down in the comments. That one is a classic from prep school days. You see me? Anyway.
Keep up and all they're like, what?
Start on the claw right away. Ooh. But that's like the best part. That's where all the meat is. And even though like get in the car, it's nice of you. Get it from people.
Wow. It's pretty good. Yeah, the curry flavor isn't strong.
More of the garlic side.
It's more mostly getting garlic from it. How's the conch? Yeah, very tender.
I mean, the bang is a little bit better last time we came though.
Yeah, they look away.
Yeah, we'll forget to tell them how. But, yeah.
Alright guys, so we pretty much just got done by Lobster Dave and we had good experience. Funny thing is, like, she said she watched the last vlog, the management, and they're like, yo, when you come back they can hook me up with some crab, some king crab again, which is gonna be awesome. So it gives me a chance to try another dish that they have on the menu. But anyway, yeah, Jude has a gift for me. I don't know what it is. I don't really like surprises, to be quite honest, but yeah, let's see. Kind of excited.
Alright, so we just got in and my gift is here. So just by feeling the gift, I can tell what it is already. I know someone on the fast and I want to feel what it is. So it is it's a shoe. And it feels a bit weighty. I kind of was gonna give you a Clark's for Christmas. I thought about it, but I couldn't find a store, as in a reputable store. So this is either a Clark's or something close to it. I can tell already. But if it's a Clark's, we're not gonna see it in the next vlog. But yeah, that's a vibe. Anyway, remember to see things, guys. Huh? I'm gonna end it. Remember to see things, love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.